So basically, based on the definition of the dosage form, we can identify or we can identify the character of each dosage form. As an example, if we say solution, from the definition, we would know that the liquid preparation will contain one or more soluble ingredients dissolved in the vehicle. So from here, we will understand that that solution will have a fully solubilized ingredient in the carrier. So for syrup, as an example, syrup has a high concentration of sugar or sucrose. And in syrup, actually, we can go up to 60 or 70% of syrup in water. And the same goes for suspension. Based on the definition, suspension is actually liquid preparation consists of one or more medicaments suspended in vehicles. So from here, we would understand that there would be insoluble powder in a suspension. Okay. So that there are several advantages of internal liquid preparation as listed here. Number one is rapid absorption of API through stomach lining. So what is API? API is active pharmaceutical ingredient, or also translated into drug. Okay, so here it means that the absorption of drug can be very rapid through the stomach lining. Why? Because the drug is already in solubilized form, and we don't need any more time to wait for the solubilization of the drug. If we take tablet as an example, tablets will need time to be solubilized. Okay, so if we ingested one paracetamol tablet, solubilization might need about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, okay, after ingestion. So you can expect the effect of paracetamol, of taking that paracetamol tablet after half an hour or maximum 1 hour after taking the drug. But if you take liquid preparation, the absorption of the drug will be very rapid, okay, and the drug can be the effect can be experienced almost immediately. Easy to swallow, okay, especially for pediatric and geriatric patients. As you know, swallowing of tablets is not easy, and I believe even some of us has difficulties to swallow tablets. And this is an even bigger problem for pediatric and geriatric patients. And for some of them, they don't have the ability to, to control their swallowing ability. Okay, so it's better for this group of patients to be given liquid preparation, okay, to ensure that they get the benefit of the medication. Number 3 is to reduce the adverse drug reaction that may be associated with drug in dry form. So as an example, some drug may cause gastric pain in the dry form. So if we give the drug in the form of tablets or in the form of capsules, the drug may cause irritation on the stomach. So under such case, formulating into liquid preparation might help to ease the adverse drug reaction that may happen due to the administration of the drug. Number 4 is liquid preparation is more flexible as compared to solid form, especially in terms of dosage change. So as an example, if you have a tablet that contains 500 milligram of paracetamol, it's difficult for you to cut or to get only 200 milligram from the tablet. But this is much easier if we use liquid preparation, because we can adjust the amount of drug that's to be given to the patient based on the volume of the preparation. There are also some disadvantages, okay. Shorter shelf life as compared to dry dosage form. Okay, so usually for liquid preparation, it can go up to 1 or 2 years, okay, if prepared in a GMP facility and with added preservative. But for tablets or capsules, it can go up to 3 or 5 years of stability, okay. But if we prepare the liquid preparation in our lab, okay, extemporaneously, the shelf life can go up to only 2 weeks or maximum 4 weeks if we add preservative. So without preservative, the preparation that we prepare extemporaneously, it can only go up to 2 weeks. So bulkiness, okay, of course, because if we compare between between liquid and dry or tablets, okay, so the volume of liquid preparation is bigger as compared to tablets or capsules. So of course it's a bit bulky to carry around. Unpleasant taste or odor may still be present. Yes, for some drugs it is very difficult to mask the taste of the drug even by adding flavoring agent. So for some drug we can still taste the bad taste associated with the drug powder. Dose accuracy depends on patient's measuring ability. Okay, so if the patient measure correctly, then the dose is correct. But if the patient, as an example, did not shake the bottle before measuring the liquid preparation, so this will affect the concentration of drug available in the amount that is being measured. Okay. Inconvenience to some patients because they may be spilled, thus require careful measuring or have special storage. Okay, so yes, as dosage form as liquid can easily be spilled, this may be difficult for patients. Okay, and of course we require for some we require special storage and handling requirement. As an example, shake before use. So if the patient forget about this, then this may affect the amount of or the concentration of drug taken by the patient.